Do you know that according to the American Heart Association, atherosclerosis affects nearly 16.5 million adults in the United States alone? As for the risk of artery clogging, several factors can contribute to the development of plaque buildup in the arteries, including high cholesterol levels, high blood pressure, smoking, obesity, diabetes, and a sedentary lifestyle. Today in this video, we will explore how to unclog arteries with a juice. Before we proceed with the video, we encourage you to share any health issues you may have encountered in the comment box below. We are here to provide assistance and support. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We sincerely appreciate your support for this channel. Alright, without any further delay, let's begin the video. The recipe we're offering today is garlic and apple cider vinegar tonic. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey. The only thing you have to do is combine water, apple cider vinegar, garlic powder, lemon juice, and honey in a glass. Stir the mixture until all of the ingredients are thoroughly blended. Let the tonic sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Once this is done, pour the juice into a clean bottle and the juice is ready to consume. Make sure to shake the bottle well before each use. It is recommended to consume 1 tablespoon of the tonic in the morning with an empty stomach, preferably 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast. You can also have 1 tablespoon in the afternoon and evening if desired. Store the tonic in the fridge and it can be kept for 1 to 2 months. Remember to use clean, dry spoons when handling the mixture. The garlic and apple cider vinegar tonic is often touted for its potential benefits for cardiovascular health, including the arteries. The ingredients in the tonic, such as garlic, apple cider vinegar, and honey, have been associated with certain properties that may support heart health. Garlic has been studied for its potential to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are risk factors for cardiovascular disease. It may also have anti-inflammatory effects that could help maintain the health of the arteries. Apple cider vinegar has been suggested to have positive effects on blood sugar regulation and weight management, both of which can impact cardiovascular health. It may also have antioxidant properties that could benefit the arteries by reducing oxidative stress. Honey, in addition to its antioxidant properties, has been linked to potential improvements in cholesterol levels and heart health markers. While these ingredients have shown promising effects in some studies, it's important to note that the garlic and apple cider vinegar tonic is not a substitute for medical treatment or professional advice. If you have existing arterial issues or concerns, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for a comprehensive evaluation and appropriate guidance. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. As always, take care of your health and prioritize your well-being. See you in the next video.